Welcome to MyKidReports. Today, we're exploring the staff module, where you can manage your entire team, add new staff members, assign rooms, control permissions, track attendance, store certifications, and handle documents, all in one simple and powerful place. Let's start from the beginning. From the left side menu, go to My School, and then click on Staff Members. This is your main staff dashboard. Here, you can see the complete list of your staff, along with their check-in status, schedules, quick actions, and filters to help you find exactly who you're looking for. You can search staff by name, filter by room, filter by status, such as active or inactive, and also filter by attendance status. This makes it very easy to manage your team on a daily basis. On every staff row, you'll see their name, their current status, and options like check-in, check-out, chat. You can chat with individual staff right from here. Then email login details and their check-in code. You will also see the schedule section. From here, you can add a schedule for that staff member by simply clicking on Add Schedule. You can watch the full schedule video linked in the description for a detailed explanation of how staff scheduling works. When a staff member is checked out, you can check them in simply by clicking the button and confirming the date and time. And when someone is checked in, you can check them out the same way. The system records the exact times in their attendance log. Now let's add a new staff member. Click on the plus staff button in the top right corner. Enter the first name, last name, and email address. You can add multiple staff at once by clicking Add Another Staff. When you click Save, MyKidReports automatically sends a welcome email to each person you added. If the welcome email doesn't appear in their inbox, they should check the spam folder as well. Inside that email, they will see a button to create their password and set up their account. After creating their password, they're taken directly to the MyKidReports login page. The welcome email also includes app download links so staff can install the MyKidReports mobile app on both Android and iOS. Now, let's return login page here, enter email and password which just created, and access their full staff account. They can check themselves in or out using either the QR code or their 6-digit check-in code, and much more. Now, let's return to the admin dashboard and explore staff management in detail. Now let's open a staff profile. Click on the arrow next to any staff name. This will open that staff member's complete profile page. At the top of the profile, you'll see options to change their status, assign rooms, upload logos, and change their password. Just click what you want and access the setting. Assigning the correct room is extremely important because the room decides what the staff member can see and access. For example, a staff member assigned to the infant room will only have access to students, activities, and information related to that room. To assign a room, simply click Add Room, select the appropriate room, like a blue room, and save. You can update or change rooms anytime from this profile page. Below that is the staff information section. Here you can see basic details like email, phone number, birthday, gender, address, and their check-in code. Under Emergency Contact, you can add information like the contact name, relation, and phone number. You can fill the details and simply click on Save. You can update or change any details on same page. Next is medical information, where you can record allergies, medications, and pediatrician details. You can also enter the date of the staff member's last physical and the physical expiry date. When you add this expiry date, the system automatically sends alerts before the date arrives, so you never miss important compliance updates. On the right side, you'll see the Changes in Action section. This is your audit trail. Here, you can view all previous updates, making it very helpful for compliance, transparency, and record keeping. The Certification section allows you to store degrees, certifications, ECE credits, infant toddler credits, and add notes if needed. Everything is neatly organized and saved permanently in the staff profile. Below that is the training section. Here you can add any number of training records, including the name of the training, hours completed, date completed, and even the expiration date. Just like medical information, if any training has an expiration date, the system will notify you ahead of time, so you never miss important compliance updates. At the bottom, you will find the attendance log, where you can view every check-in and check-out entry for that staff member. You can also filter by date range if you want to review past records. One of the most important areas in the staff profile is staff permissions. You'll find the Edit Staff Permissions button at the top right. When you click it, a permissions window opens, giving you full control over what this staff member can see and do. If you want to make this staff member a center administrator, you can turn on the first option. This gives them full admin access across your entire system, so use this only for your most trusted staff. Or you can give individual access, allowing very controlled permissions. You can turn on specific capabilities such as edit student information, edit their own profile, manage activities, and more. For example, if you have a staff member that handles billing only, you can give them billing access without giving them access to student records or classroom information. This keeps your center secure while giving each staff member exactly what they need. Once you finish assigning permissions, click Save. Now let's move to the final tab, Forms and Requests. This section shows all the paperwork linked to this staff member. When you click Add Form or Document, you can request any document or form directly from the staff member, such as their ID, certifications, health forms, or background checks. All the paperwork features work exactly like the paperwork module we covered earlier, including expiration dates, automated reminders, and easy digital uploads. Please check link in the description for full detail video of paperwork model. Everything stays organized in one place, making staff compliance effortless. And remember, all of these features can also be managed from the MyKidReports mobile app, so both admins and staff can work efficiently from anywhere. With MyKidReports, managing your staff becomes simple, organized, and effortless, helping your daycare stay compliant, coordinated, and fully streamlined every single day. Start your free trial today and experience how MyKidReports can simplify childcare management for you.